We get so lost in the divide beneath the very same sky. But listen to the whistle blow, the magic starts to spin. For 90 minutes on the grass, we let the light back in.
Yeah, from the dusty streets to the city lights, every nation, every heart ignites. Drop the borders, drop the history of pain. Everybody gather round the beautiful game.
Throw your colors in the air, let the flags fly tall. Whether you call it soccer or you call it football, it's the only language that can speak to us all. Side by side, hand in hand, every ocean, every land.
Call it soccer, call it football, we are one today.
So let the whole world play.
Yeah, look at the stands, see the colors combine, erasing the hate and erasing the line. From the east to the west, from the north to the south, put the cheer in your soul and the song in your mouth. We was divided, was broken apart, now we chasing the glow with a unified heart. Doesn't matter the jersey, the skin or the name, we are equal and free in the beautiful game.
Look at the kid with the ball at their feet, dancing right over the cracks in the street.
Look at the strangers who hug in the crowd, singing the anthem together.